So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to remove columns on a table inside of your Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up for this example, I'll just make the background like purple, just like that. I'm then going to go to the top and add a table just for demonstration purposes. So here's my beautiful table, just like this. So a little bit difficult to see the lower parts, I guess, but it's basically four columns right here, or sorry, 5 rows down, 4 columns across. Now, if you want to remove the amount of columns, so as I mentioned before, there's 4 columns. The simplest way to do it is to go to the top right here, press on the columns, then press on the down arrow to sort of make, so as you can tell, now there's 3, now there's 2 in regards to columns. Now, another way you can do that as well is to press on the table right here, go to the right hand side of your screen, press on where it says columns just like this, and change the number by just pressing on the down arrow just like that. So very basic, very straightforward, but that is how to remove columns on a table inside of a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.